Hi guys, I'm Jerusha and you're watching Jerusha Couture TV. It's a big video. It's a big video. I'm sweating. I have done so many speeches and spiels and talks and profound, feelings and all of that on any giveaway video that I do or any sort of momentous video that I do. However, guys, this one takes the cake because hopefully my true subbies and my true followers and viewers, even if you are a silent viewer, I totally don't mind. Meaning you just watch my videos, maybe you don't even have a Google account, but you just come back to watch my videos and you come back to be in my life as a luxury fashion blogger, but as also in my vlogs, my personal vlogs. I don't separate the channels. I know a lot of YouTubers do because a lot of people don't like vlogs, general daily vlogging, they don't like it, and that's totally fine. I don't separate the channels because I believe it shows both sort of sides of my life. There is a few channels out there now who are, taking on YouTubers and exposing and doing all of that stuff, which is like the drama channels, which is fine. But that is just like so negative. And what I've always promoted over all these years of being on YouTube or being on social media is positivity. And all I want to say is that I truly hope that you see that through my videos. I really hope you do. If I ever do sponsored videos, I completely disclaim it before. My intro says, thank you to the video sponsor. I am getting paid for this video. That does not mean that the product, because it is free and I'm paid, I have to say I like it. That's not true at all. I push back a huge percentage. I don't want to work with some companies. So I hope that I am transparent like that, because I've been seeing a lot of blogs lately just saying that you guys hate that and you don't know what to trust. And I really hope that you can trust me because you see that side of my life. You see me with no makeup, no glam, no nothing, with my kids and my husband and my mum and my in-laws and all of that. So I just want to touch on that, and I just want to say that if you are out there and you're on those hate blogs and you're on those gossip sites and you're trashing other luxury YouTubers or other big bloggers because you don't like the way they come across, I want you to know that this is only one side of us. But when you meet me, I am exactly the same. I've always said it and I promise you that. But what I want you to know, that if you're on those sites hating on me personally, I want to say hi to you, to those haters. I am so sorry if you don't like me. I'm so sorry if you don't like my content. You think I'm bragging and showing off. I will defend myself because that's not it at all. I'm not showing off. I'm creating a little world of people that also enjoy this hobby as such. It's a community. I also want to say to you guys out there, if you are not fond of me and you have written to me in an email or a DM or somewhere on the internet and I have not responded and you have felt shunned and really upset, I want to say I am so deeply sorry. It is very difficult to monitor all your platforms with all of the communication. And I once wrote, right back into the beginning, I wrote to a blogger and she didn't respond and I thought it was so upsetting. So I am so sorry to anyone out there who feels that same way. That is never a YouTuber's intention, and I just want to say that. Instead of my crazy I love you speech, that is my speech. I want to say to everyone out there that you can't judge bloggers, influencers, media personalities just through one dimension of a camera. It's very difficult to get to know us just through one side. This is honestly worth every single year and day that I have been on this platform with Google and gone the journey with Google and their amazing division platform called YouTube. I started right back in the beginning. I started my account in 2009. YouTube was established in early 2008, 2007, and it was so different back then, but this is worth all of it. To even hold this play button in my hand is epic. And I know that many channels are getting it now, and they're getting it really, really quickly through their own gratitude, like they're doing amazing. But for me, this is worth so much because I have enjoyed every single minute with you guys. And no, this is turning into a speech, but you know how I feel about you. If you're my OG subby, you know how I feel. So this 100,000 subscriber YouTube play button was sent to me from Google YouTube, and I am so incredibly proud. It's got a massive mirror. I don't want to blind you, but it says Jerusha Couture presented for surpassing 100,000 subscribers. That's you guys. And it's gonna hang behind me proudly, and I'm so thankful, and it's all to you guys. Okay, so it will just sit there behind me, my beautiful play button. Sorry, Ruchi. Shout out to my subby Ruchi. Her Chanel frame was there, but I've just moved it over. It's behind the DeVille. The DeVille will move, don't worry about it, girl. So it will just sit behind me, so it's always there for you guys. But to say thank you, even though, as Will said, I have done 100,000, 90, 100,000 giveaway, I am doing another one. But as far as this goes, this is for you guys. This was, let's just say, a bit of a wink wink, who you know, what you know kind of situation of how to get this for you guys, but I had to. I really had to. If there was anything I had to find as a giveaway next, it had to be in this box. Here is your proof of purchase that will come with this item. You will get everything and anything is exactly like if you were shopping. So there's your shopping bag, and then all of this is included in the giveaway, as you can see. Let's go ahead. I've got to show it to you, so you've got to let me open it. Let's go ahead and take off the ribbon. You get a lovely the Louis Vuitton card that comes on the ribbon. Your magnetic box. With a beautiful Louis Vuitton dust bag inside, all exactly like when we unbox. I'll leave that there. So a beautiful Louis Vuitton dust bag, Louis Vuitton, and the item that I am giving away. Can you guys guess? It should be pretty simple. It should be pretty simple. I want to take it out. The item I am giving away is, ta-da! Yes, honey! Yes, oh my god. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. It is truthfully, when you get it, like when you get the new version, because mine is just so incredibly patinaed and worn, it's so beautiful. And this has the Louis Vuitton smell to it. I feel like the Speedies really have that original smell to it. This is for you guys. The Louis Vuitton Speedy Bandolier in size 25 in all over monogram print. Let's take a minute, shall we? This is what I am giving away. Yes, I have given one of these away in the past. In a giveaway, I have given a Speedy B25 away before, and then obviously a Neverfull, and now another Speedy B25. These are iconic bags, and I want you guys to have one. I truthfully do. So here it is. Absolutely perfect, and this gorgeous bag is made in France. Comes with the zipper and, oh sorry, the lock, and the keys are inside. It is currently stuffed, which you can see. It has the zipper pocket, the new zipper pocket, which is really nice. The crossbody strap, shoulder strap is inside. But yes, this is what I am giving away because this is me. You know, a lot of YouTubers have been saying in their how YouTube made me buy it that I made them look into this handbag. Well, I'm giving another one away because at 100,000K, I love you guys so much. So this is my gift to you. So the way to enter my giveaway this time around is going to be a little bit different, and this is how I choose to do it. I'm still following YouTube guidelines. However, I am not doing it through a Google form anymore. I'm not doing it through numbers and through random.org in numbers. It was far too difficult that way and it caused discrepancy. But I am back doing another giveaway because I truly love you guys, and I know that my real subbies out there will enter this properly. So the way to enter is going to be through the comments. You have to subscribe to my channel, obviously. Please give this video a thumbs up. A really big thumbs up would be great. And comment below what my channel means to you. So this will really divide my viewers, because if you subscribe to me, I will be able to tell. Tell me what my channel means to you. Any of my videos, if you prefer my sit down, if you prefer my vlogs, that's fine. But what do they mean to you? Why do you come back to my channel to now be at 100,000 subscribers? That's what I want to know. And from that, I'm going to pick a winner. So please go ahead and do that. For bonus points, you can follow me on Instagram, like the picture, and comment below on the picture for the giveaway, because there will be a picture for the giveaway on my Instagram as well. If you don't know my Instagram, it's Jerusha Couture, the same handle as here. If you've been a silent watcher, this would be a great time for you to actually comment, whether it's on here or on Instagram. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if you don't have an Instagram account. Please don't panic. It's not, that doesn't rule you out. You will be chosen by me as the winner. So whether you think that's random or fair enough, I can't help it. I'm not doing that anymore. I just want to choose my winner myself, and I feel like I have the right to do that. It's still following guidelines. So yes, that is my giveaway. So you can go ahead by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel already and you wish to enter this giveaway, please go ahead and do so. Follow me on Instagram if you have an Instagram account. I'm so excited to be at 100,000 subscribers, and it's all because of you guys. I have been here forever and a day, as I always say, and this is the only way I can show you guys how much you mean to me. It's the only way. Giving stuff away is the only way. So thank you so much for watching. I hope everybody is doing so well. All my love. Take care, guys. Peace.